Firstly, what you have to do is just simply search for Insightface. It's an open source software that you can find in GitHub. So just simply open this option and now just simply click on View on GitHub. And now just simply scroll down till the bottom and you should find the option of Discord bot. Then click on this option. Then just simply open the invitation link for Instaface. Click on this option and now you should be able to invite Instaface into your Discord. Click on the server option and choose your server. And then just simply add that to your Discord server. First, just simply make a new server if you want to. So create your own server. Name, you can write whatever you want. I will name it Instaface. Then click on create. Now once your server is made, go to the channel, simply refresh the page and add the bot on that server. Now once you will do that, you will find that Instaface has been added in your Discord. Now what you have to do is you have to add your Midjourney bot as well. So go to Midjourney. Now all you have to do is just simply search for the Midjourney bot over here. So just simply click on this option, then choose the server, Instaface or whatever server you have named. Then click on continue, then click on authorize. Now click on this box. Now wait for a few seconds. Now just simply go to that server. Now after you have both the bots in your server, it's time to add your face as an ID. So just simply type in \, then save ID, use this option, and now drag and drop your image. Now there are a few things that you have to keep in mind when you will be taking your photo. Make sure that you have a perfect photo with high resolution and there shouldn't be a lot of elements on that photo like glasses or anything like that. Make sure to keep it as clean as possible. As you can see right over here. Now just simply drag and drop the image and then name your ID. So I'm just simply going to name it test. And now just simply hit enter on your keyboard. Now our image ID is now created. And now what you have to do is just simply create a simple image. So \, imagine, and then type your prompt. So after your image is ready, just simply upscale one of them. So I like the first one over here. So upscale one or U1 over here. Now wait for a few seconds. And now once you have the image, it's time to swap the face. So click on the three dots over here, go to apps, and then just simply choose image swapper right over here. Now wait for a few seconds. And just like that, the face has been swapped, as you can see right over here. So if I open the image side by side, you can see for yourself the changes, as you can see right over here. So that's how you use Instaface with Midjourney. So if you would like to get Midjourney, you can get the link in the description box below. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.